Hey, welcome back to the video training entitled The Secrets of Highly Paid Freelancers, video number 5, secret number 4, the one thing you need to make a stable income and keep your clients coming back. This is the fourth I of the 4 I's method, interconnection. We are going to dive deeper in this video and see how we can actually use this to your advantage for your freelancing journey. All right, so without further ado, what is interconnection? Is becoming fully of service to people who needs your help, right? So it ties back in everything actually in the 4 I's method is tying into each other. And this is the last one. This is when you are becoming fully of service. Now, why the money, honey? Why do we always think about how we can make more money? Because of course we have to pay the bills, there's the luxury there, the desires, it elevates your status, you can do whatever you want. Yes, that is correct. But why do people like to simply get things done? Right? Isn't that a very weird question? Like, why do people just want to get things done? They want to make more money, they want to be paid more, but they are just mediocres. They just submit a freaking website design and not even finish it, or just, create like these website designs that are not even that good, not even mobile responsive, create graphic designs that suck just because it's okay. I'm already done. The job's done. That's it. I even went to a beach resort one time. There was hot chocolate in the menu. If you know anything about me, I'm a hot chocolate lover and I've always liked that on breakfasts. So when I went to that resort with my family, I ordered hot chocolate because that was in the menu, only to find out 10 minutes later that the waitress actually, The waitress just served me 1 cup of hot water with Milo. My goodness. That's going to be a reason why people are not going to come back for your service. Let's just be honest here. If you are just going to try to get things done and not do something extra, make a few steps more to make the project amazing, they're not going to want to work with you again. And this is why it's so important to be more than that. It's very important to serve other people. You just don't get things done. You have to serve people with all your heart. You have to be ready to serve. You have to be ready to help. Because without it, usually your business is going to flunk. 70 to 90% of businesses actually declare bankruptcy, or they close down the business in 1 to 3 years. And that is because most of the people are going into the business field or the freelancing field with the wrong mindset. Of course, primarily we want to earn money, but it's not the right purpose. You're going to want to earn money for sure, yes, but if you're going to serve people and you want your service to become high quality, you will never settle for anything less, and you will definitely earn more than you ever thought possible. So this is one of the secrets. You just have to really be good at what you do, provide service for other people, be more than willing to help, and money will follow. This is a rule of the universe. It is something that you cannot control. If you're just going to give somebody something just for the sake of compliance, you're just going to get things done and that's it, you're not going to get more money than you ever thought possible. It's not a thing. Like, you have to be okay with serving. You have to be giving more value than taking in payment. And you're probably thinking, yeah, but give more value, and how are you going to take in more payment? Or how is that going to happen, that I'm doing these extra things for people who doesn't actually appreciate what I'm doing? That's not how it works. That's not how it works. How it works is you help one person, and that specific gesture is going to come back to you 8-10 folds, but from a different opportunity, from a different way, not exactly from that person, It's very rare. It's very rare that that person is going to do the same thing for you. But it's how the pay it forward concept goes. When you are doing good for one person, then that person is going to do good for other people, and eventually it's going to come back to you. And it's real. It has happened to me so many times already. Like, I can't imagine, I can't even count how many times this has happened to me. I just go out there becoming fully of service, be okay with giving in more value, taking in so much time, and I'm not even getting paid for it. Like, I do live videos in my Facebook page every single Sunday for an hour, and I'm not getting paid for it. Why? Because I know that people need my help. And surprisingly, how it's coming back to me is that I'm getting clients out of nowhere. Like, I cannot imagine, or I cannot think, I cannot fathom how these clients actually found me. So the more you go out there and serve people, the more it's going to come back to you 7, 8, 9, 10 folds. You're not even going to know, because this is the rule of the universe. Like, this is how the entire thing works. I cannot actually explain how exactly this works, like with all the diagrams and shit, but it has happened to me. Sorry for the curse word. It has happened to me multiple times. So I cannot describe to you how important this is. Just be there, be of help, be of service to others. Serve more than actually taking in payment. And you know, you're going to earn a lot of money. You're going to have an income with no brackets, no ceilings. You're going to earn more than you ever thought possible. And then you're going to start asking, now what? Now I have paid my house, now I have bought a car, and I'm earning more than I can ever thought possible. What's next? But if you are serving people, you will find that infinite fulfillment that's going to be in your heart forever, and you do not have to question it. Like, money's there, fulfillment's there, you have a beautiful life. What else are you going to ask? Nothing? Just that kind of life where you are fully of service to others, where you are being wanted by people because they know that you genuinely want to help. That is when more blessings come in. So I'd like to end with a quote from Robert Kiyosaki that says, change your focus from making money to serving more people. Serving more people makes the money come in. So that's not me, that's Robert Kiyosaki, like one of the really rich people in the world. So it's up to you if you're going to take that advice or not, but trust me, it happens, it matters, and it's true. Okay? So this is how it worked for me. I cannot tell you exactly how it works, or I cannot force you to do that, but take it from me, take it from him. It happened to us, why can't it happen to you? All right? So I'll see you for the last video, finally, video number 5. The one thing, the little known medium that is going to answer your past, present, future problems rather about freelancing. I'll see you there.